In this video, we will discuss how to enable a waitlist on an event, how a waitlist functions, and how to view and manage an existing waitlist. By default, the system automatically closes registration when the number of volunteers needed for an event is reached. However, you can enable the system to open a waitlist instead. Waitlists can be used on time slot events or normal events. When a volunteer is added to the waitlist, the system will record their position on a first-come, first-served basis. Then, if another volunteer's registration is canceled, or if you expand the number of volunteers needed, the system will automatically add volunteers from the waitlist until the remaining positions have been filled. When a volunteer is added to an event from a waitlist, they will immediately receive a confirmation email for that respective shift. To enable a waitlist on an existing event, click on Search and Manage Existing Opportunities from the main dashboard. Locate the event that you would like to update, and click on the Update or Edit Opportunity icon to update the event. Near the middle of the page, you'll see the option to Allow Waitlist when registration is full, and you can set this field to Yes, and then click on Update Opportunity at the top or bottom of the page to save your changes. You can view waitlisted volunteers on a particular event by clicking on the Register Volunteers or Groups icon next to the event name. Volunteers on the waitlist will appear in the list with the other registrants, but they'll be distinguished by an annotation that they are on the waitlist along with their position, as you can see here. Note that if you register a volunteer from the administrative side, that volunteer will be assigned to the next spot on the waitlist, just as in the case of volunteer self-registration. If needed, you can change the order by using the arrow buttons next to each volunteer on the waitlist.